All right, well, we're gonna try to shoot a video of a cemetery, but it's raining a little bit, so not sure how well this is gonna work out. Let's see here, maybe better. Let me roll that window down. Looks like it quit raining a little bit. So we're down here in Georgia. And man, they got cemeteries galore. This one, these look like they've been here for a while. Pretty big, monstrous. How? 1861. 1895. So my camera clip for my car cell phone is supposed to be here today, but I had to go to work, so I don't have it right now. Whoa, potholes. Oh, look at this guy. This thing is 1906. Sim W. Hasp. I don't know, there's just a sea of dead people. So hopefully when I get home today, I'll have a new camera holder where I'll be able to do slightly better jobs of videotaping cemeteries. I always liked cemeteries when I was a kid. And I guess they're a little spookier at night, but I'm here now. Oh look, I guess that's a mausoleum. There's a big one over there. We're gonna go, oh look, there's a dirt road. Oh yeah. Get up in the dirt road. Let's see what we can do here. See if we can get something a little better. Click, 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 click. Well, that rain is just terrible. Roberts. Well, somebody spent some money here. This must be the rich folks. That is pretty nice, actually. Roll that window down. Get right here in the front. What is that? Hollingsworth